In a close-up, front-facing portrait view, ensure the face is directly facing the camera for successful processing. In a dark and gritty dystopian city, a cyberpunk photograph captures a mesmerizing close-up of an augmented biological female cyborg. Inspired by Meri Ocon's visionary art and neo-Dota creativity, this digital masterpiece pushes the boundaries of imagination. The subject resembles actress Christina Ricci, seamlessly merging her features with cybernetic enhancements. She embodies a perfect android girl, evoking intrigue and wonder. The image showcases various cybernetic beings, from humanoid cyborg women to intricate animal-like creations in elaborate costumes. The convergence of human and machine blurs the lines between natural and artificial, challenging our perception of identity and existence. Among the subjects, a teen robot portrait stands out, representing the blend of youthful innocence and advanced technology. This CGI-rendered character sparks contemplation on consciousness and sentience. The photograph hints at a moment when wake cyborgs emerge from hypersleep, entering a world filled with uncertainty and possibilities. The composition, influenced by Stephen Yle, beautifully captures the ethereal quality of robot cyborgs embarking on a new chapter of existence. As the camera pulls back, the image reveals an extended family of perfect android girls, each unique in design and purpose. This diverse group represents the multifaceted nature of technological advancement and the bonds formed in a world where humanity intertwines with machinery. The cyberpunk aesthetic comes to life through meticulous attention to detail, with lighting and colors reflecting the dark neon-lit ambiance of the cityscape. Each pixel immerses the viewer in a world where vibrant hues dance with shadows, evoking awe and apprehension. This cyberpunk photograph, inspired by Meri Ocon's Art and CG Society contest winners, showcases the genre's possibilities. It invites viewers to explore augmented reality's complexities, the fusion of human and machine, and the evolving landscape of cybernetic beings. In the described environment, medical procedures for humans would require advanced technologies and adaptations. Here are detailed procedures. Protective gear. Specialized full-body suits with integrated environmental control systems would protect humans in the dystopian city. These suits shield against pollution, toxins, and physical hazards. Augmented reality assistance. Humans would use augmented reality devices for analyzing and interacting with cybernetic beings and the environment. Real-time data on vital signs, diagnostics, and cityscape information would overlay the augmented reality display. Cybernetic interface training. Medical professionals would undergo extensive training in cybernetic interfaces for maintenance, upgrades, and repairs. Expertise in advanced robotics, bioengineering, and neural interfaces would be necessary. Remote medical assistance. In complex cases, remote specialists could provide medical assistance via telemedicine technologies and robotic avatars. High-tech interfaces would allow specialists to guide procedures remotely. Cybernetic implant maintenance. Humans would require expertise in maintaining and troubleshooting cybernetic implants. This includes understanding interfaces, power systems, and communication protocols. Repair facilities. Specialized facilities with advanced tools and technologies would handle cybernetic component repairs and upgrades. Highly skilled technicians would perform complex repairs. Emergency response. Rapid response teams trained in cybernetic medicine would handle emergencies and malfunctions. These teams would carry advanced medical equipment tailored to the needs of cyborgs. Compatibility testing. Before procedures or treatments, compatibility testing would ensure safe integration of human and cybernetic technologies. Thorough assessments, diagnostic imaging, and analysis of augmentations would be conducted. Obtaining Star Trek-level technology would require breakthroughs in cybernetics, robotics, artificial intelligence, and nanotechnology. Ongoing research, interdisciplinary collaboration, and ethical considerations are vital to navigate challenges and ensure safety in this dystopian cyberpunk environment.